Now, I know what you're thinking, maths, I'm on holiday. I don't need to do that. But maths can actually be a lot of fun, and I'm going to try and improve that today, especially with numbers. Now, there's a number that's been going around a lot recently. Two together that has got, audience is pretty wild. Does anyone know the 6, 7, there it is, go see it? Now, there is a great mathematician trick where we square a number faster than a calculator. Now, if you don't believe me, what I'm going to get you to do, kids, are you okay to all count together? Now, break the shape. You're okay to look out this calculator for me. Now, on your tables, make sure you've got someone with a calculator. Now, don't worry, you don't need to pass you out. On your phone, there'll be an app. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm actually going to square 6, 7. In my head, you guys are going to do it in your calculators. Now, to make sure that your calculators are working, when you times 67 by 67, you should get the answer 4,489. If you've got that, give me a cheer. Nice. Now, grown ups, don't worry, I'm not going to leave you out. I know a number beginning with 60 that you guys like as well. You like the number 69? Give me a cheer. Good. Oh my goodness, that was so much deeper. Good. Now, we'll do the exact same thing. If you type in 69 times 69 into your calculators, you'll get the number 4,761. If you've got that number, give me a cheer. Alright, good, now the brain's working, your calculator's working. Now let's bring the whole thing together. We're going to do 67 times 69. Now, if you do that, you should get the number 4,623. If you've got that, give me a cheer. Awesome, my brain's working, and most importantly, your calculators are working. Trick called the hidden faces. Now, I don't know if you know this, I didn't know this until very recently, but you know these parts of the dice here, we call these faces. Now, what we're going to do with this trick, I'm glad you guys have come so close, because I'm going to need your help. What you guys are going to do is we're going to stack these dice. So, not just one face is hidden, not just two, but we're going to have 5 faces that are hidden. Now when we do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the hidden faces together without me knowing or without anyone in red knowing what it is. I'm going to predict it and hopefully it will be right. Now, be my friend, are you okay? Mix these dice up as much as you want and just make sure that they're stacked like that, okay? Change your thinking. Alright, we've got our dice all stacked up. Reds, let's give my wonderful assistants a round of applause. Now, there's no sleight of hand here, no cheating whatsoever. I do need to make sure that we're in the camera there. And if we're in line, it should go onto the screen. Alright. Oh, no, hang on, let's move that a little bit better so everyone can see. Oh, who's that handsome fellow there? Oh, there we go. So, as we can see, we've got all the dice stacked up. Now, like I say, I'm going to add all the hidden faces together. We've got 5 of them. Now, when we do that, we should get the number 17. Are we ready to find out if I'm right? Alright, so the first hidden dice is going to be at the bottom here. Now, I'm going to have to try and make sure the camera can see it. Can you all see the number 3? So we're going to start with the number 3. Then we're going to add 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. Not 6, 7, just 7 unfortunately. Then the other side we've got a 3, so we're going to add that, so that's going to be 10. Then, right here, oh, I don't want to think of cheating, we've got a 5. So, for my prediction of 17 to be correct, the bottom of this dice needs to be the number 2. Can I get a drum roll, please? Oh, it's a 2! Now today we're going to do something that Cher is desperate to do. We're going to turn back time. Now don't worry, I've not brought the time machine with me. I do actually have one, it's a DeLorean. I drive it from time to time. No, instead what we're going to do is we're going to use maths to make everyone, or most people, younger. It's birthday today. It is. Alright, shout nice and loud. How old are you today? 3 years old! Oh my goodness. You want to know something crazy? I was 3 when I was your age.
Unfortunately, I'm not 3 anymore. In fact, well, I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but let's just say it's the same age as the Toy Story movie. Now, do you like Toy Story? Yeah! Did you know Woody's favourite subject is maths? He loves it. He loves to round up. Buzz is pretty good at maths too. He can count to infinity and beyond. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make everyone here in red 3 years old. Give me a cheer if you'd like to be 3. 3 and carefree. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to get your age in your head. So once you've got your age in your head, it can be the age you actually are, or grown-ups, you can pick an age that you tell everyone. Now, with that age in your head, you're going to times it by 2. So you're going to double your age. When you've done that, give me a cheer. Now, whatever we do to our side, we have to do to the other side of the equation. So our 3-year-old is now 6. Wow, they go up so fast. And you know what? I kind of like the number 6. So what you're going to do, with your new number, you're going to add 6 to it. Once you've done that, give me a cheer. Awesome. Now, I can't help but notice we're making ourselves a lot older. And we kind of want to go younger. So what we're going to do with our new number is we're going to divide it by 2. You're going to halve it, press equals. Once you've done that, give me a cheer. Awesome. Now, our final step. With our new number, we are going to take away our original age. And on the count of 3, you're going to shout how old you are. 1, 2, 3. 3 years old, that's right. Now, this one say they like 6, 7. Alright, now we're on the year 2025. Do you know what happens when you times 6 by 7? You get the number 42. And if you add 42 to 2025, you get 26, 7.